Today I'm going to teach you the fastest way to add sound effects completely for free using this AI plugin inside of Premiere Pro. So the free AI plugin we're using today is called AutoEdit Creator Mode. I've linked down to it below. There is a free forever plan. Once you install the plugin, you go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Creator Mode. And just like that, the plugin pops up. And now you can go to the Sound Effects tab. You can see there's a bunch of other free tools over here, which I've also gone over in other videos. But in the Sound Effects tab, you can see there's a bunch of different sound effects. And if you play them, they're all super loud, but the cool thing is we can literally just go ahead and click apply and boom, instantly it just applies it onto our timeline. Now, the cool thing I like about this plugin is that they're all specifically designed for content creators. So, if you do a lot of content or maybe different types of videos, talking head videos, all these sound effects are geared primarily for you content creators. So there's a bunch of different sound effects in here. And I believe in the future, there will be even more sound effects added. We got dings, we got Minecraft sound effects. And I think the cool thing about this is that a lot of these are not unlicensed, but they're actual real sound effects that you would use, not just like generic royalty free stuff. And especially for me, these are a lot of sound effects that I do commonly use in my edits. And it's just kind of annoying when I have to go to Finder and then like search it up and then Finder doesn't work and I have to restart Finder and then have to go look for all these folders just to find one sound effect. And now I can literally just click and apply it in just the click of a button. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And there's also a bunch of other cool features in this plugin as well, like a silence cutter, a motions graphics applier. There's a bunch of crazy stuff. I definitely recommend checking out this plugin. It has all these free tools in it. And there is an AI Claude mode, which automatically edits your content, cutting out the bad takes, repeats, and filler words. So if you want to learn how you can use the Claude Creator Mode feature inside of Premiere Pro, you can check out this video linked right here.